All right. So again, it's November 14th, and I got a lot further than I thought I would today. I was able to get the car outside by myself. Um, just a little bit of leverage worked, and once you got beyond a certain point, it just nice and easy just went to the side and got some bricks holding it up. That's it. It's pretty sturdy. I mean, I'm really jerking on it. It's not moving. So I got this blower here. Holy crap! It is super strong. And so I decided to get in here and get this inside this frame here. And the moment I stuck that sucker on there, I mean, just stuff was just gushing out of here and gushing out of these little holes here and here. It was just like, holy crap. There was lots. And as I tipped it over, even more spilled out, and even on the inside. So, um, man, when you get this thing, these cars sound faster, whether it's a Camaro or Mustang or a truck or whatever it is. There's a lot of nooks and crannies that stuff gets in, so you really have to do a thorough cleaning. Um, so I think I did a pretty good job. Anyway, it's on its side. So I am ready to start doing seam sealing. I am ready to do some painting. I don't know. So you can see some of the stuff. I mean, I completely blew this out, sucked it out, everything as much as I could, and this is just from what I blew with that blower, and then still left over. So I'll hit it again. I'll vacuum this out, hit it again, um, and once I start pounding on it, the stuff will jiggle loose. But yeah, so I have enough room to work on this side and the front here. I'll do whatever seam sealing I can while it's on its side, and then underside. There isn't much seam sealing to do here. I've got the wheel wells to do, and that is kind of it. I may do some of these weld marks here and there, and then around this transmission shifter hole. Um, Other than that, I think that's it. There wasn't much under here for the factory, and I don't see why I should do it. Simple fact is that the bottom side needs to drain out, so if it gets wet on the inside, it has to go somewhere. So the exterior is more of a release point for water. So that's it. Yeah, rock and roll.